Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans well. First, prioritize upgrading your town hall and resource collectors like gold mines and elixir pumps. This ensures a steady income for future upgrades. Next, focus on building and upgrading your defensive structures, such as cannons and archer towers, to protect your valuable resources from enemy raids. Joining an active clan early on is also crucial for receiving reinforcements and participating in clan wars. Efficient resource management is key to progress. Regularly raid other players' villages to accumulate gold, elixir, and dark elixir, which are essential for all upgrades. Experiment with various army compositions to find what works best for your attacking style and target bases. Don't forget to consistently upgrade your laboratory to research stronger troops and spells, and your barracks to unlock new units, giving you a significant advantage in battles. A strong defense is just as important as a strong offense. Design a base layout that effectively protects your town hall and valuable resources, making it difficult for attackers to achieve 3 stars. Strategically place high hit point buildings like storages and the town hall to absorb damage, allowing your defenses more time to eliminate enemy troops. Continuously upgrade your walls and traps, such as spring traps and bombs, to significantly enhance your village's overall resilience against raids. Active participation in clan wars is vital for clan growth and personal rewards. Coordinate with your clanmates, follow war strategies, and use both of your attacks wisely to secure stars for your team. Also, make sure to complete seasonal challenges and special events, as these offer valuable resources, magic items, and experience points that accelerate your progress. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.